Remember when ice cream was pretty much the most exciting thing ever? Whatever happened to that? Unilever thought it was time to recapture that special feeling for kids of all ages to share, but with a remarkable, never-seen-before 2010 twist. The journey started in the lab, with specialist teams developing a machine unlike any other. A vending machine that senses when people are near. Uses groundbreaking facial recognition to tell your age, gender, and crucially, if you're smiling. Intricate technology captures and measures your smile 15 times a second, and if it's big enough, rewards you with your very own ice cream for free. With 3G technology built in, it even enables you to upload and share your picture on Facebook. The result? Not just a revolutionary point of purchase experience, but a revolutionary experience, period. An ice cream van for the digital age. A machine, sure, but one that captures, stimulates, shares and spreads the most powerful and most human emotion of all. Share happy.